Cooking methods explained. Unlock the chef in you. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious topic: cooking methods. Understanding these terms not only helps in the kitchen but also enriches your English vocabulary. So, let's get cooking. Cooking methods refer to the various techniques and processes used in preparing food. It's not just about making food edible but also about enhancing flavor, texture, and aroma. Each method has its unique style and is used for different types of dishes. Boiling. Boiling involves cooking food in hot water. It's simple and used for pasta, vegetables, and eggs. Frying. Frying is cooking food in hot oil or fat. It can be deep frying or shallow frying, giving a crispy texture to foods like chicken or potatoes. Baking. Baking uses dry heat in an oven. It's ideal for bread, cakes, and pastries, creating a soft inside and a firm outside. Grilling. Grilling applies direct heat to the food, typically from below. It's perfect for meats and vegetables, giving them a distinctive charred flavor. Steaming. Steaming cooks food with steam. It retains nutrients and is great for fish and dumplings. Roasting. Roasting also uses dry heat, often in an oven, but at higher temperatures than baking. It's excellent for meats and vegetables, offering a rich, caramelized exterior. Selecting the right cooking method depends on the type of food and the desired outcome. Some methods are healthier, like steaming, while others, like frying, add more flavor but can be less healthy. Understanding cooking methods not only boosts your culinary skills but also your English vocabulary. Remember, each method has its unique charm and purpose. We hope you found this video helpful and that it adds flavor to your English learning journey. Happy cooking and learning!